Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make this beautiful bracelet. It's made out of seed beads, 8-0 beads and 6-0 beads. It's really easy to make, it's really effective, and you could make it like a necklace. It also will look really nice. And just to show you how colors tend to change one and the same model, here I made some in different colors just to see what you could achieve with this pattern here that I'm showing you. It changes jewelry piece beyond recognition. So if you like what I'm showing you here and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also like, share and comment. And I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching, and now I'm going to start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what you're going to need are 6-0 white beads and 8-0 white beads and 3 colors of 11-0 seed beads. And I'm using here a clasp, lobster's claw clasp and a jump ring, and I'm using flat nose pliers to attach this clasp. Here you could use scissors, but I'm using this instrument to cut closer to my work, and I'm using monofilament that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. You could use fireline or your favorite beading thread, and I'm using size 10 beading needle. And now I will put about 2 feet of thread on my needle, which is about 60 centimeters, and I'll be back. Okay, now I put my thread on my needle, and I'm going to take 6 of these beautiful 6-0s. Okay, I have 6 of them. I'm sliding them down. I will stick my needle in my mat and I'm going to make a knot here. And I'm making a knot by making a loop and going twice through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling. Now I have this circle of beads here, and what I want to do is go through some of my beads, and now I need 1 11-0. I'm going through my 6-0, then one more 11-0, going through the 6-0, one more, and I will continue this until the end of this row. Okay guys, now I have this beautiful shape here, and in my next step I will go through one of my 6-0s and I will take 3 opaque pink seed beads, and I'm going back through these 6-0 and through the following 11-0, and my goal is to exit out of my next 6-0. And now I'm taking 3 seed beads, going back in circle through these 6-0 and through the following, and then I'm exiting out of my next 6-0s, and I want to take 3 seed beads and going back through the 6-0, and I need to repeat this 3 more times. Okay, now this row is ready. Okay guys, and now as I'm exiting from this white 8-0, I want to go through all of those pink beads here. just like that. And I will flip my work this way, and now I will take one of these beautiful 8 toes and I will go through these 11 rows. One more. And I will do this until the end of this row. And now guys, I'm exiting out of this 8 toe, and I need to take 3 seed beads in this beautiful blue color, and I'm going back through this 8 toe and through the following few beads, and my goal is to exit from the next white bead, and I need 3 more. And as I'm exiting from this white, I'm going back in circle and I'm pulling, and I need to go through all of my pink beads and exit out of this 8 toe and take 3 seed beads, go back in circle through this one here, okay, and I will continue this until the end of this row. Okay guys, and now I finished this row and it's time to make my knots. Okay, so now I am between those 2 beads and I'm making a loop, and I'm going twice through the loop I've made with my needle, and I will repeat this several more times. Okay, and you could do it more and more times until you feel your work is secure, and then you could come and cut your thread, and you could also cut your tail thread, but never cut next to a knot. Always go through the next bead and then cut the thread. So now I have this element, and I will continue making more and more elements, and I will assemble them in a bracelet. This is how it looks when you start with the pink in the center and then at the edge. So this is the opposite. I'm flipping the pink and the blue here, and I will make 7 elements like this, and I'll be back to tell you how to assemble them in a bracelet. Okay guys, now I have all the elements from my bracelet, and what I want to do is take 1.2 meters of thread on my needle, which is 4 feet of thread, and I will go through some beads here. And what I want to do is make a loop and go once, then go second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling, and I will go through the next few beads. You could do one more knot if you want, and my goal is to exit here. Okay, I flip my work, and now what I want to do is cut my tail thread here. Okay, now I have a new thread attached to my element, and here I will attach my clasp. Okay, so I'm taking 2 beads, I'm taking my clasp and I'm sliding those down. Then I need 2 more seed beads, going back in circle through these beads here. Now this is what I have, and what I want to do is go through just one seed bead, take one more and go through the next one. Okay, pull, then I'm going through the following seed bead, taking just one seed bead and going through the next two beads, just like that. Now I have something like an angle here, and I will reinforce this part. I'm flipping my work when it's easier for me. Okay guys, now I want to reach the other part of my element. I want to reach here. Okay guys, and now I'm here at the other part of my element, and I will take element with a blue edge, and what I want to do is take one white seed bead, and I'm going through this blue bead here, exiting out of the pink and going through the blue one, and then I will take one more seed bead and I will go back through the pink one. And now I will reinforce this joint here. Okay, now I reinforce this joint and I want to reach here at the other part of my element, and I will do this off camera and I'll be back. Okay guys, and off camera I repositioned my thread here, and now I will take an element with a pink edge. I'm alternating them, and I will take one seed bead, and as I'm exiting here from this blue bead, I'm going through the pink one. Then I will take one more seed bead and I'm going back through this blue one in circle. Okay. And I'm pulling. Now guess what? I'm reinforcing this joint and I'm adding more and more elements until the full length of my bracelet, and then I'll be back to show you how to finish it. Okay guys, and now I connected all of my elements in a bracelet, and I'm going to show you how to finish this bracelet. And in order to finish it, I need 8 white seed beads. Okay, and I have my 8 on my needle, and I'm sliding them down, and I'm going back in circle through the same pink bead here. Okay, now this is what I have. I have a beautiful loop of beads, and what I want to do is go through 2 beads, take one seed bead and go through the other 2. Okay, This way I'm forming something like an angle. Taking just one, going through the next 2 beads, then one more, and going through the last 2 beads. Okay, now I have something like a small rhombus here. I like it so much, and I'm going to reinforce it. And you could reinforce it not just once but several times to be sure that the end of your bracelet is really secure. And now what I want to do is go through here and make some knots. So in order to make a knot, I'm making a loop between 2 beads and I'm going twice through the loop I've made, and then I'm pulling and I'm going through the next few beads. And I want to repeat these steps several more times, and when I'm ready I will cut my thread and I will be back to show you how to attach your jump ring. Okay guys, and now I'm ready. I cut my thread and I will take my jump ring, I will open it up, and it's better to do this with 2 pliers, but now I will do this with 1 just to show you. And I'm squeezing back my jump ring, and now my bracelet is ready. So if you like it and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also like, share and comment. And by the way, you could make this a necklace. It looks really good like a necklace. So if you want, go ahead and show me the results on my Facebook page by sharing pictures. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.